Dang, this box is big. So before we get it back onto the filming table, I'll take it out of this box real quick. I don't want to break that little coffee table. It's a pretty big box, as you can see. So I'll use my trusty little knife, and hopefully this is the right side. Hopefully it doesn't even matter. A box inside a box. Of course it would be like that. So I think it actually was on the wrong side, so we'll gently move that big box. And we got some intel inside there. Intel inside. Okay, moving on from some boxception. So let's open this one. I will say, for the most part, Alienware does do some like nicer packaging. They want to show that they care. So as you can see, you got a pull tab right here. We'll pull that open. This is where the keyboard should be. Don't have a keyboard, of course. Instead, I just got a mouse, standard little mouse. This is I think that's a cord for the power supply, I believe. And what else we got here? We got the warranty and safety information stuff. In case you want to know that. Alienware. And there she is in the styrofoam, all packaged up. So here's the actual rig. We got some styrofoam on the top and bottom that I'll just remove right now. They make sure that everything's obviously packed nice, so it doesn't take any damage on the road. Alright, and there she is. So, if you want to know specs, I'll leave them down below as well, maybe put them right here. So, this is the i5 R7 Alienware GTX 1060 6 gigs, 2 TB storage, 120 SSD. So there's a look at the front of the Alienware. You have this nice head, which I believe that lights up once it's on. So you have your 2 USB, your headphones, your mic, another USB, and 2 more USBs right here. Of course, with Intel, you have your Intel stickers, and you also have a lot of this stuff, which is obviously always very satisfying to remove. On the side, you have the 3 strips that light up LED, which you can configure the lights in the Alienware. Up top, I believe this is more of a handle, so they can easily pick up and move around your Alienware. And here's a quick look at all the stuff on the back. So here we got the graphics card, only one HDMI, which is a bit of a disappointment. A lot of USB cords, everything you need down here. And of course I'm gonna get the comments, why didn't you just buy a computer? It's much cheaper, much better. Well, for your information, I was going to. But with the price of graphics cards and getting an insane deal on this particular Alienware, it would have been stupid for me not to buy it. Because to build it custom, it was gonna cost more than what I paid for this brand new from Dell. And if you didn't know, on this channel we also have an i7 8700K 1070 Alienware R7. So there's going to be many reviews coming up in the future. Alright, so it's all set up, and here is what it looks like with the lights on. I noticed with this camera, you can't really pick up how red it actually is. It actually doesn't look anything like what it looks like on camera, but trust me, this is super red. It looks really nice. Really like the case. It's been running for, a couple hours now. I noticed no temperature issues. Been doing some light gaming on it. Here she is. There's some on my monitor. My setup is not complete yet, so I won't show you that yet. But just in case you guys want to see this, here it is. Looks great. And if you guys have any future video suggestions, definitely comment down below. I'm going to be doing lots of gameplay, things like that. If you guys want to see anything, tell me down below. Thanks for watching.